much worried things were going to start to dry out.
Yeah.
Luckily, rain is never too far away in Florida.
The palm trees are getting water.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Seriously, Florida, every day.
Every couple hours.
We decided to head up towards Clearwater. Check it out.
Yeah, check it out. Now we're just hitting traffic and rain, and we're kind of questioning why we did this. Well, we were going to probably try to get some lunch or dinner or whatever, and maybe try to do a little grocery shopping, because tomorrow we're going to head on out and we want to have everything kind of stocked up so we don't have to get anything on the way. We just leisurely make our way back home.
Yeah, and in Clearwater is the original Hooters. Seems like we go there a lot, but we're here and I gotta get a shirt.
Yeah. At least on the original Hooters.
We're here, I can't not get a shirt from the original Hooters. I've got shirts from Nashville Hooters and Sacramento Hooters. We've been to a bunch of other ones, I just haven't bought shirts.
Yeah, because then you'd have like 50 shirts that you don't wear, so.
Right.
So hopefully this rain will not last too long. We'll be arriving at a destination shortly.
Traffic, traffic, traffic. It takes forever to get anywhere around here.
It's because the lights take forever.
It's just a lot of traffic. So like, I'll put it into like Google Maps, like I want to go to Walmart. It'll say 3 miles, 20 minutes.
Yep, alright, here we go.
Well, we made it back. The dogs are super excited because we're home.
It's also rumbling thunder outside.
Yeah. Trip to Walmart was a success. And our trip to Hooters was a success. Gave us a free bag.
Yes, and it's actually a really nice bag. It's got the like foil inside. Inside the bag, Mike got himself just typical Hooters, but it says still winging it after 35 years, which is appropriate since
It's their anniversary. 35 years.
35 years, and it's appropriate for Mike because he's been winging it for more than 35 years as well.
For more than 35 years.
And then I got this for me.
I liked that one.
Says the original. Extra small, but it's pretty big.
Yeah, she wears tiny, tiny clothes. But we hear thunder rumbling in the distance. So
yeah, so we're gonna unpack everything, probably feed the dogs and let them out before the rain hits again. So everything's soaked. It already rained a couple of times. So.
yeah, we're leaving in the morning, like dark 30. So we're gonna get things put away pretty much.
We got stuff for the store basically to get us home, and that we don't have to go to the store when we do get home, just to avoid it.
Yeah. So we have work cut out for us before we go to bed. Now we're gonna get up super early and
start
heading north.
Heading to that place.
About 1,200 miles north.
Yeah.
So we will talk to you guys tomorrow.
See ya.
Welcome to Georgia.
We have arrived in Georgia. Back again for some more. So obviously we've been driving for quite a few hours this morning. It's about 10:30 in the morning. We left our campground
6 o'clock.
about 6 a.m.
Yeah, we were up at 4:30, pulled out of the campsite at 5:30, went to the dump station at 6 o'clock. We were on the road.
Yeah.
And we got a ways to go yet today. Our goal today is 750 miles.
Yeah, which is quite a ways, but it's really doesn't feel like that long to us. We always travel this way. It's just normal, especially when Mike's been a professional driving long hours most of his adult life. So we're just gonna keep on heading north, see where we end up. Hopefully we don't run into any big traffic like we did on the way down, and we can cover some good miles. with miles.
We do plan on pulling Fancy Gap.
Yes.
That's something I definitely want to do today. So we're going a slightly different way to go home. We came all the way down I-75. Today we're going to go up I-95 to I-26 to I-77, just so we can go up over Fancy Gap.
Yep, so
It's
we can do a comparison.
slightly more miles, slightly, not a big deal. Because we did Fancy Gap when I had the Ram with the Cummins diesel, so now I got a gas truck.
Woohoo! Welcome to South Carolina.
Georgia's a lot quicker when you're on I-95 versus I-75.
Yeah, that is a true statement.
It's over 350 miles on 75.
Yeah.
About 100 and something on 95.
Much faster, much more bearable because didn't have to go through Atlanta.
Yeah. Well, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're in Rock Hill, South Carolina at the Flying J. And I wanted pizza rolls, so the only thing we had to cook pizza rolls in was that glass thing.
That glass thing?
Yeah.
It's a loaf pan.
It's not a pan, it's glass. But again, we're at the RV parking. Look what we got. Look what we got. See that? RV only. Yeah. Such is life. Let's see if I can zoom in on this sign. There. Private property, RV parking only.
I don't think I've ever seen RV parking that didn't have trucks in it.
And you got leftover.
Leftover Hooter wings.
Yep.
Oh, I can't wait. I've been waiting for these all day. Oh, look at that. Perfect timing.
Yeah, made it to North Carolina. I still need to run another 150 miles roughly to hit my goal of 750 for the day.
Yeah, the traffic, as you can see over there, we're going to be soon in that type of traffic. According to Google. It's coming up obviously around Charlotte, and it is 4:45 on a Friday. So, it's to be expected. Definitely not excited for more traffic.
No.
Didn't turn out very well, but here we are. Didn't want to focus on it. I'm trying to focus on all these bugs on your windshield.
Oh, we made it to Virginia.
Yes, we did.
And I got 37 miles to go to get to the Flying J, and that'll make like 752, I think, miles for the day. Next thing we're going to do is Fancy Gap.
Yes.
But it's probably going to be its own separate video because we're coming up to it now.
Yeah, we'll see. It depends on how traffic is flowing too.
Right. If it's a fail, you'll see it in this video.
Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. We are arriving at our nighttime destination.
Yeah.
Right up here.
750 some miles, 52 or 53. We met our goal, and by the way, Fancy Gap was a win. So
Yes, it was.
be looking for that video.
The dogs know.
Yes. And they've learned that when we pull into a Flying J.
Look at her. She's all like excited. Where we at, guy? Are we there?
And the low here tonight is like 66 degrees, so we went from 90 some degrees in Florida to 66
yeah.
degrees here.
I'm wearing shorts right now and I'm like, brr! Let's go! Nice views though.
So we're gonna get dinner.
Yeah, we're gonna jump off of here, get some rest, relaxation.
Yeah, it's 7:22 p.m. Let's call it a day. Get something to eat.
Sounds good.
Alright, so I did this video once before, pulling up Fancy Gap, but I had my diesel truck as a 2016 Ram. Now I have a 2018 Chevy Silverado 2500 with a 6.0 gas engine.